Let's break down acid staining concrete DIY. Transform your patio for under $200. Here's what you need to know. Create a high-end modeled look on your existing gray slab. It's easier than you think. Quick answer: for best results, use 4000 psi concrete, proper reinforcement, and allow full cure time. Get 3 quotes from licensed contractors and check references before hiring. Moving on to acid staining concrete DIY guide to high-end looks. Acid staining transforms plain gray concrete into a beautiful, modeled, marble-like surface that looks like it costs thousands. The best part? You can do it yourself for approximately $150-300 plus depending on project size. This guide walks you through the entire process, from preparation to sealing. Next up, what is acid staining? Acid staining uses a chemical reaction between acid and the minerals in concrete to create permanent color. Unlike paint, which sits on top, acid stain penetrates the concrete and becomes part of it. The result is a unique, variegated color that won't fade, chip, or peel. How it works: the acid in the stain reacts with the lime, calcium hydroxide, in concrete, creating colored compounds. The color is permanent because it's a chemical change, not a surface coating. Let's talk about what you can stain. Acid stain works on existing concrete patios and driveways, interior concrete floors, concrete countertops, concrete walls, with proper application. Here's the deal with materials you'll need. For a typical 200 square foot patio, acid stain, approximately 1 to 2 gallons, coverage varies by product and application. Plastic sprayer, 1 to 2 gallon capacity. Neutralizer, baking soda or commercial neutralizer. Cleaner, TSP, trisodium phosphate, or concrete cleaner. Now let's look at popular acid stain colors. Acid stains come in various colors, but the most popular are brown/terracotta, warm, earthy tones, most popular. Black, deep, rich color, modern and dramatic. Green, unique, natural look. Blue, uncommon but striking. Moving on to step 1, preparation, critical. Proper preparation is 80% of a successful acid stain job. Skip this, and the stain won't work properly. Next up, clean thoroughly. Remove all furniture, planters, and debris. Sweep and vacuum to remove loose dirt. Pressure wash, low pressure, 2000 to 2500 psi, to remove embedded dirt. Let dry completely, 24 to 48 hours. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.